Hello friends, I'm here again with a new video. Today we are going to make fish curry. It's a very delicious recipe and you will like it. It's looks spicy but you can control the spices level as per your taste. So let's begin with the recipe. For this we will take local medium size whole fish around 1 kg. You can take any fish in this size, okay? It's up to you. So clean it properly, wash it and clean it. So this will be 1 kg and four tomato medium size red, two onion big size, coriander leaf, and mustard seeds soaked in the water for 20 to 30 minutes. It's required for the paste, and ginger, garlic, and two green chili. This is also required for paste. 3 to 4 bay leaves, two red chili, and mustard seeds 20 gram. 200 ml cooking oil, preferred mustard oil, it will give you a better taste. For masala, we will take red chili powder 2 tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 4 tablespoon, cumin powder 2 to 3 tablespoon, turmeric powder 3 tablespoon, coriander powder 4 tablespoon, and kitchen king masala 3 to 4 tablespoon. It's optional. You can add some 1 to 2 teaspoon garam masala also, and salt 4 tablespoon. This is the whole ingredient. And meanwhile, you should make the paste for soaked, mustard seeds separately, and ginger, garlic, and green chili paste separately. Now we'll start with the marination of fish. This is a local fish, medium-sized whole fish. Clean this. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 to 3 teaspoon salt, and Kashmiri red chili 2 teaspoon, ginger garlic green chili paste 1 spoon. Now mix this well with the fish with your hand. After mixing, it will look like this, and keep it for around. Now you can add one or half tablespoon or tablespoon oil on this and mix it well. Mix it well and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now take one pan, let it pan to be heated. Once it's heated well, add the cooking oil into the pan. Wait till oil heated properly. So it should be put the flame on high and wait till you feel that's heated when very high. Now you can see the oil is heated properly and you can see that. So once you see this, let's start putting the fish one by one slowly. Be careful. Put these fishes one by one slowly. Wait for 2-3 minutes one side to be fried properly. You can check one of them if it is crispy and red in the bottom. Once you see all the fishes are crispy at the bottom and dark red, you can start, okay, you can reverse all the fishes. Reverse like this slowly and carefully, otherwise it will break into pieces. You can see now I have reversed all the fish, so it's a very crispy one side. So I'll wait for another 4 minutes to 5 minutes for another side. Now we can see fish is fried properly, so switch off the gas burner and start putting down all the fishes one by one, slowly and carefully, like this. Like this. Now you can see we have all the fishes ready, and put it on the tissue paper or napkin so that the excess oil will be soaked. Okay, keep it aside now. Now take another pan and use the same oil. Okay, you can use same oil where we fried the fish. Once pan is heated, put some oil into this. One, 3 to 4, a spoon oil needed here. Once oil is heated, add bay leaves, red chili, and mustard seeds. After 1 minute, add paste, onion paste, which we made for 2 onions. Sort it well. Add the rest of ginger, garlic, and chili paste. Sort it well. Sort it for 2 3 minutes. Now add mustard seed paste. Sort it well. Now we will add all the masala. So start putting all the masala one by one. So whatever we have taken, you can start putting all of them. So starting from turmeric, add all the turmeric powder. So now I have added all the masala powder and sort it well. Sort this all masala well, okay, with medium heat. Sort it. You'll see it's too dry, then add some water. And after adding some water, start sorting once again at medium heat. You need to sort it very well. Whenever you see it's dry, you can add some more water, but sort it for another 4 to 5 minutes. So it's sorted well. Okay. Now add those chopped tomatoes. Add some salt. Uh, 2 tablespoons salt here. Sort it well. Sort it very well. This mixture really required a good, sorting, so it will give a better taste. If needed, you can cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now remove the cover, and you can see the color very well. So after this, you can sort it for another 2 to 3 minutes. When you will see the reddish color, then you can stop. So now you can see it's a very well red color, and its aroma also coming good. So now we will add some water, okay, 1 bowl water to make it gravy, and mix it well. Keep sorting it, okay, so that it will mix with the water. Keep the flame on high for 1 and 2 minutes. Add some more water, okay, for gravy, and put the flame on high and keep sorting it. Okay, so here you can decide how much curry or gravy you want, so that much water you can add, and sort it very well on high flame so that it will give you a good gravy. So keep sorting it for 2 3 minutes in this way, and now you can start adding the fish. So again, you need to add the fish slowly, one by one, okay, so that it will not break into the pieces. Add those fishes slowly, one by one. Keep the flame on medium. So after 2 to 3 minutes, you will see the boiling, okay, in the gravy. It means it's ready. So after 2 3 minutes of boiling, you can see, okay, fish curry will look like this. So now your fish curry is ready. So you can take it out in the bowl slowly, one by one with gravy, or you can take it in your plate, serving plate. So here is your fish curry ready, the delicious. See, you can eat it with roti, naan, kulcha, even with your rice. So it's very tasty. You should try it once at home. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel for future upcoming videos. Thank you.